Investing $50,000 in a Gold IRA, 10 Simple Steps. Investing $50,000 in a Gold IRA is a strategic way to diversify your retirement portfolio and protect against market volatility. Here's a concise guide to help you invest $50,000 in a Gold IRA. 1. Understand Gold IRAs. A Gold IRA is a self-directed account holding physical gold and other precious metals. 2. Choose a custodian. Select a reputable financial institution to manage your Gold IRA, such as Equity Trust or Kingdom Trust. 3. Open the Gold IRA account. Complete an application with your chosen custodian to establish your Gold IRA. 4. Fund the account. Transfer funds from an existing IRA or 401k, or make a direct contribution. 5. Select a gold dealer. Work with a trusted dealer to purchase high-quality gold. 6. Choose your gold. Decide on forms like bullion bars or coins, ensuring they meet IRS fineness requirements. 7. Make the purchase. Coordinate with your custodian to buy the gold. 8. Secure storage. Store your gold in an IRS-approved depository for safety. 9. Monitor your investment. Regularly review your account and adjust your strategy as needed. 10. Plan for distributions. Understand the rules for required minimum distributions, RMDs, starting at age 72, and the tax implications. By following these steps, you can confidently invest in a Gold IRA and secure your financial future. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.